YouTube, Dr. Solar. I don't know if you remember this. We had the system in the back and we're running that inverter. And about a month and a half, 2 months ago, the inverter flamed out. Flames came out of there, really bad smell. And we took it for repairs, and whomever it is that attempted to repair it, damaged it even more. So I reached out to the manufacturer. They said okay, they will talk to the engineers, and I'm still waiting for them to talk to the engineers. And to this point, I've not heard anything from them. So here we go. So we decided to do something different. You still recognize, the only thing you recognize is that everything else is different. We decided to put most of the items inside an enclosure. And the reason we put it inside an enclosure is to deal with dust issues and moisture issues. So I'll open the enclosure and show you how we set it up. We still have our lead acid batteries with a battery balancer. But now instead of it being 12 volts, it's now 24 volts. Let me open the enclosure so you can see what's inside. Let me back up a bit. And what I have is a 300 watts reliable pure sine wave inverter, and then my charge control, of course, and all the breakers are in here. So let's see if we can see what reliable is showing you. Our battery voltage is currently at 27. Not sure you could see it. 27.3. So the batteries are charging. Actually, it says it's in float. So our batteries are 27. It's a 24 volt, 300 watts. We've put it in this enclosure. What we're going to do next is we're going to add, we're going to put filters on the outside, and then we'll put a fan. We'll cut a hole and put a fan and run the fan directly to the batteries. I'll put a bus bar inside and run the fan from the bus bar. And this will allow us to make sure that this enclosure remains cool. I'm pretty psyched. I like what my people did. All the breakers are now inside here. We're trying to get this as an idea for our customers. You know, the farms we go to do work on, a 300 watt is more than plenty. If we can pull it off in such a way where we'll even put a small battery in there, a 12 volt, 50 amp hour lithium battery, that would be perfect. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section below. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria, and you can hear my neighbor's generators going off.